Hello and welcome to Foldable Flight. In this video I'll be teaching you some origami basics, specifically about squash folds. Now you can perform a squash fold anytime you have a flap that is composed of two layers like this, joined by a spine like this. And now all a squash fold is you taking that spine and pressing down on it and collapsing those layers, literally squashing them. And usually you're trying to land this spine and line it up with something, a reference. In this example, I want to land my spine on the center crease of this plane. And that's all it takes. There's a finished squash fold. But squash folds are varied. There are a lot of different examples of them. I'll show you a couple more. So here you can see the right edge of this, the left edge of this is a folded edge. And then I have two layers again. So two layers joined by a spine. I can perform a squash fold by opening up these layers slightly and pressing down on this spine. And in this example, I'm going to line that spine up with this edge of this layer here. Okay, and I'll show you a third example. In this one, it actually is the right edge, that is the folded edge. And again, I have two layers here. I will just open that pocket up, press down on this spine, and collapse the layers like so. And in this example, I will line up my spine with this edge of the paper. And there's a third squash fold. So all different kinds of squash folds. You can do this anytime you have two layers joined by a spine. I hope you found this video to be informative. If you want to test your ability to perform squash folds, try folding this beautiful plane Atlantis. I'll leave a link in the description below. Be sure to subscribe for more awesome paper airplane content by clicking on my channel icon in the top right corner. Or check out another one of my videos here. And if you really like what I do, head over to foldableflight.com or patreon.com/foldableflight. And as always, thank you for watching.